There are two ways to find your recordings. The first is by selecting the NDVR button. On the NDVR page, a section in the middle will be called My Recordings. You will find your 5 most recent recordings located here. Clicking on any of these recordings will take you to the title page for that recording. Here you can play the video and you can edit the properties. Going back to the dashboard, the second way to find your recordings is to use the search function. Click on the search button and it will take you to the search page. Clicking on the magnifying glass will allow you to do a blank search and find all content that is available to you. You'll see there are over 8,000 videos here. Using the filters, we can narrow this down. First by selecting NDVR and then selecting ourselves from the users. This will eliminate any content that is not a recording created by us. Click the empty search again and you'll be able to find only your recordings. In this case, we've narrowed it from 8,000 plus videos to 3. Another helpful tool is to sort. Clicking the word title will allow you to change that to sorting by creation date. Put them in order from the newest to oldest.